Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. And don't forget to hit that little bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video each and every week. Alrighty, that's rolling off the tongue much better. Alrighty guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my digital haul. Alright guys, I don't remember where I was asked about the sticker paper that I use, so I am going to share it with you here. This is onlinelabels.com. This is 8.5 by 11, basically a standard label sheet or sheet, and it's standard white matte. I'm trying to open it. Sorry for the noise. Hopefully I don't hit that. Okay, so here we go. This is what it looks like. This is the front and this is the back. This is like the paper backing. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this is a little darker than the front. So yeah, because I have a printer that I have to load everything like this. I made that mistake, and yeah, so so that was pretty interesting and not fun at the same time. So all right, so this topic, I got this at one of my Mambi groups. I believe this was for the mini. This is her freebie quarantine. She does have her information, and I will link everything down below. So this is, you get some flag stickers, you get some quarter boxes, and you look like you get little things. Some little flags right here. I forgot what they called. And yeah, so I don't know. I love the colors. These roses are absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, so I don't know what it was about this kit. I thought this was beautiful. And yeah, so. All right, next up we have Homebound. This is Stella View stickers. So you can get these foiled, you can get these non-foiled, you can get them. It gives you lines for your machine. These gives you also lines for your cutting. The red lines are there, so you just cut that. What else? So basically you cut this and then you do your little intricate cuts, which look pretty simple, hopefully. So you get your deco, your, looks like 2 washi strips, and this one is for the Erin Condren, or you can even use these for whatever. Honestly, if you want to do some sticker surgery, you can do that as well. It also has her name here. It says property of Stella Beauty, I guess that's Beauty. Sticker code for personal use only. Do not share, resell, or distribute in any kind of format. So so yeah, so it has the deco headers. It comes with washi strips for top and bottom. Then you get some glitter stuff over here. Workout stuff, meal steps, workout little icons over here that you can again work. I'm guessing these are your littles and half and quarter. I think these are, yeah, half and quarter boxes with your bow. Headers. You get some washi strips, little things, half and quarter boxes, trackers, your weekly list, more half and quarter boxes glittered, your heart checklist boxes, and yeah, I'm sorry. That's I believe that is it. Did I mix up the kits? Because I try to put them. No, I think that is it. All right. this one, I don't know. I downloaded it a long time ago. This was a freebie for personal use only. This is planwithcon.com. I'm thinking this is for a mini planner or maybe even an EC or a PP Weeks. But you have your checklist down here. You have like your checklist box over here. You have your weekly grocery list over here, just a regular checklist. You'll have your little boxes over here. You have some type of lists and headers. You also have I guess these are water trackers, important things. This is to buy, all this is stuff to do morning and night. And this is the same box, but this is the second box that it comes with. So, and your weekend banner, your headers, and yeah. Skincare and all that stuff, more little lists to do. I got this kit because I thought it was really cute. I love cats. And I love pasta and cameras, and yeah, so this is an interesting kit. Again, I think I got this from like looking for Pinterest for free ideas. Okay, so this is Petticoat Petticoat Bandit. This is the PPB weekly kit. I forgot. Oh, the Moonchild. So this, it comes with a bunch of different little fashion girls. So we have this beautiful fashion girl. Love her. I don't think my printer does it justice. So you have your little fashion girls here. You have your little deco. You have some flag checklists, your weekend, some washi strips, chunky washi strips, your weekly habit tracker. You have schedule, your goals, and all that other good stuff. Glitter headers, quarter boxes, and I guess you had flags, and this is where you cut it out. And then you got your next little fashion girl. Everything is the same. Let me double check. Yes, everything is the same except for the fashion girl, and each little fashion girl has the same like hair for the larger fashion girl. So I think this was supposed to be the darker, but my printer printed it out as like brown. This was, I guess, was supposed to be black hair and or blonde hair. I don't know, but I'm okay with that. And you got your redhead and your blonde. So yeah. This one I definitely 100% recently found online. This is definitely size for the mini happy planner. This one is sea glass blue planner stickers. This is, oh, I forgot where I got this from. So you have your to buy to do little boxes here, checklist boxes there, weekend banner, little icons that you can write on or whatever you have. Next week's appointments, the stickers, plan with me stickers. Again, just half and quarter boxes to do, and this adorable little coffee cup right there. So yeah, and then I just printed it out double time. So all right, the next one is paper crown planning. This one is but first coffee. So yeah, I printed this out twice. So you get a bunch of different fashion girls over here. You get your icons, your quarter checkboxes. You get some flight stuff, and another type of washies. Oh wait, did I? Yeah, I actually printed it out 3 times. And I'll tell you why in a minute. You get more deco stickers. You get your heart checklist, flags, weekly box, washi. and more stuff. And then you get your list, washi strips, and this printed out so lightly, but these are your like your littles, and more boxes. You get some more stuff here called meet, email, appointment, due at ASP, as soon as possible, pay, buy, and little cute little bows. And I printed that out twice, well, actually 3 times. Then you get your glitter, more boxes, your date covers, your date dots, and more little icons that you can cut out, and more icons that you need. And the reason why I should have probably printed it out another time, the reason why that I printed it out so much was because this sheet right here, and I'll show you in a minute because I printed it out before that, does not have any like whatchamacallit. It's just like your deco stickers, and I'm like, oh, this is, I love this, it's beautiful. I love donuts. I don't normally eat donuts and coffee together all the time, but I really love this. It is just my sweet thing. Don't worry, all this is a cute little sayings. Treat yourself, be silly, be honest, be kind. I love that. I might make a shirt like that. Coffee makes everything possible, you know. So I just think that this was so beautiful, and I love this little sign right here. So I thought that if I had some more of these, because it's a coffee themed, it's pretty light and has the black, has the browns, and then I also printed out this one. I used to be a part of a group, and this was part of their like a planner group, and I paid like a monthly subscription, and I really never printed it out. And this one is kind of like one of their freebies. I don't know if she's still available, and I don't know where I got that one. I don't know if it was from the same place, but this is from on the Etsy shop, little Foxy planner, and I guess she was doing something along with, I think it was Auntie Tay, yeah, that who was, but I don't think Auntie Tay offers these types of planners anymore, like these subscription planners anymore. I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, so I was like, ooh, this can go well with that, and then also that because of the, if you wanted to add more glitter. So I printed it out twice. So that is my plan, and I really, really love this. Don't know, again, I don't remember where I got this from. No coffee, no worky, and I love Starbucks coffee as well. So I thought that this would be a really cute kit to combine either by itself or combine with these little other items that I have going on here. And I have a bunch more that I will print out later. And yeah, so I've been printing out like a mad person. And yeah. So if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and bye for now.